How to quickly create a successful YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a simple process. YouTube provides a space for anyone with a camera and an internet connection to upload videos and share them with the world. And with over 2 billion active users, there's a good chance your target audience is already on YouTube. Here are the steps you need to take to create your own YouTube channel. 1. Create a Google account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Google account to create a YouTube channel. You can do this by going to www.google.com and clicking Sign in the top right-hand corner. 2. Go to www.youtube.com and click Create a new channel. 3. Give your channel a name and a description. Be sure to choose a name that is reflective of the type of content you'll be sharing. 4. Upload your videos. You can upload videos that you have already created or create new. Creating a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a lot of planning. But if you follow these simple tips, you can create a channel that will engage and delight your audience. 1. Choose a niche. When starting a YouTube channel, it's important to choose a specific niche that you can focus on. This will help you attract a specific audience and build a loyal following. 2. Find your voice. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to find your unique voice. This will help you stand out from other channels in your niche and give your audience a reason to keep watching. 3. Plan your content. Before you start filming, it's important to plan out your content. This will help you stay on track and ensure that your videos are informative and entertaining.